Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text different colors in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make a text different color. Firstly, go to the home menu, then select the new slide option and choose blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the word art drop down menu. Now we can see here many word art. Now I am select any one. Then write your text. Now I am click inside the text box and write my text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the shape format menu. Then select the text fill and click the gradient option and go to more gradients. Then we can see here the gradient fill option. Now we enable this. Then add any gradient stop or remove. Now I am select the gradient stop and choose any color. Now I am select red color, then go to the another stops and choose another color. Then close the window. Now we can see we make our text different color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.